These are 5 by 18 by 3 inches park and curb stoppers for your car with reflective tape all around on 3 sides. They have 2 holes, anchors, and sealants that you simply find a spot on the floor and drill. They can be replacements for your old ones as well. They simply find a spot, match up where you have a incline that you need to put a stopper, a car stopper, park stopper. It is a hard plastic rubber, all weather resistant for all your parking needs. Place your stopper where you need to have it drilled. Place your bit in and drill. Place your bolts in. Put your washer on and your nut on. It comes nicely packaged, everything you need in the bag. 2 stoppers, sealant, and 4 anchors. Optional hammer drilling are needed. It is a simple and easy step to install. You have 2 nice large diameter holes, 1.25 inches or more. And you have a construction designed for extra heavy duty strength. You have reflective stickers in an orange color on 3 sides. They are curb stoppers for your automobile needs. The weight of the curb stopper is 4 pounds. The sealant goes on the bottom, so this way it seals additional on each of the edgings, as so enough sealant to do 2 stoppers. In the garage, to find a spot where you need to back your car up no further than the distance and stop your car by a curb stopper. On the driveway, curb stoppers so you know where to stop. Enjoy your curb stoppers for your driveway and needs of automobiles. Thank you for viewing.